Hello and welcome back, health and fitness enthusiasts. Today's topic is, unlock the benefits of garlic. Avoid the common mistakes others make. Did you know that incorporating garlic into your daily diet can provide numerous health benefits? However, to maximize its potential, it's important to avoid common mistakes that many people make. Let's explore these mistakes without delay. Mistake number 1. Opting for garlic supplements instead of consuming fresh garlic. Some individuals rely on garlic supplements. Unfortunately, this diminishes most of the health benefits. To fully experience garlic's healing properties, it's recommended to consume it raw and slightly crushed. Raw garlic possesses unmatched healing powers compared to pills, powders, or capsules. The potent phosphorus gas, responsible for garlic's aroma, is lost when garlic is dried, processed, or heated, leading to a reduction in its health benefits. If chewing raw garlic is challenging, remember that you're consuming something as effective as penicillin. Mistake number 2. Neglecting gut health. Even if you consume garlic regularly, it won't protect you from bacterial infections if your diet consists mainly of junk food, fast food, and processed foods. These types of foods increase oxidative damage in the body, weakening the immune system. A compromised immune system makes your body more susceptible to bacteria and viruses. Your gut acts as the first line of defense against these threats, so it's crucial to maintain a healthy gut. You can achieve this by incorporating fermented foods rich in beneficial bacteria, such as Greek yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and kombucha. Additionally, consider taking probiotics and eliminate foods that disrupt your natural gut flora. Only then can garlic work its magic. Mistake number 3. Incorrect cooking methods. If you enjoy adding garlic to your meals for flavor, it's important to know the right cooking techniques. Heat destroys allicin, the active compound in garlic. This chemical is beneficial as long as the garlic is raw and uncooked. Therefore, it's advisable to cook your food first and then add garlic to it. To preserve some of the allicin content, you can add crushed garlic during the last 5 to 10 minutes of cooking. Mistake number 4. Missing the benefits of eating garlic on an empty stomach. Research suggests that consuming garlic on an empty stomach can help reduce inflammation, provide antioxidants, and assist with certain intestinal and colon infections. When you swallow a garlic clove, it remains intact until it reaches the intestines, where the alkaline environment breaks it down and releases allicin, the active ingredient responsible for garlic's power as a bactericide, antiviral agent, fungicide, and worm killer. This is particularly important for individuals experiencing stomach pain or acidity. Garlic doesn't harm the stomach, so it's best to consume it on an empty stomach. Mistake number 5. Using pre-cut garlic. When garlic is crushed, it releases a strong odor, indicating that allicin is breaking down. This diminishes its usefulness. Crushed garlic also releases organic sulfur compounds and antioxidants beneficial for heart health. Once garlic is cut, it quickly loses its aroma and flavor. It's preferable to use whole cloves, with fresh ones being superior to dried ones. Ensure the garlic bulbs are firm and free of buds. Store dry garlic in a cool, dark, dry, and well-ventilated place. However, individuals focused on the health benefits of garlic can consume fresh, crushed, or mashed garlic, as it allows better absorption of sulfur compounds and antioxidants. This facilitates blood flow in the heart and arteries by reducing triglycerides and LDL, bad cholesterol, levels. Mistake number 6. Relying on garlic tea. Garlic tea involves boiling garlic in water and letting it steep. However, since allicin is negatively affected by heat, garlic tea may not provide the same health benefits as other concentrated forms of garlic. Moreover, there is limited evidence supporting the specific health benefits of garlic tea in preventing or treating illnesses. Studies often refer to whole garlic, garlic oil, or garlic extracts. Additionally, no research has examined the potential health benefits of combining garlic, honey, and lemon in a drink. Many health claims associated with garlic tea are likely exaggerated or untrue. Mistake number 7. Garlic consumption during pregnancy. While garlic is generally safe for pregnant women to consume in food, the exact safe amount remains unclear. Therefore, pregnant women should exercise caution when consuming raw garlic or garlic-flavored foods. Excessive consumption of raw garlic, especially during pregnancy, can increase body heat and potentially lead to miscarriage. Garlic supplements should be avoided during pregnancy due to their potency. Mistake number 8. Excessive garlic consumption. Consuming excessive amounts of garlic can temporarily lower blood pressure and cause stomach irritation due to its sulfur content. This diversion of blood flow to the stomach can affect overall circulation. Moderate consumption of garlic typically does not pose a problem. If you have specific stomach or intestinal issues, it's advisable to consult a doctor rather than relying solely on garlic. Mistake number 9. Overestimating garlic's effects in all foods. Garlic is commonly used in certain types of foods like fish, soups, mollusks, and seafood dishes. However, its use may not be necessary in all recipes. For example, sautéed foods like mushrooms or kidneys, as well as some pasta or rice sauces, may not require garlic. If you wish to reduce garlic's presence in your meals, consider exploring alternative flavors like garlic oil and chili peppers in spaghetti, or chewing coffee beans or fresh mint leaves after dinner. Mistake number 10. Combining garlic with homeopathic drugs. If you're undergoing homeopathic treatment, it's advisable to avoid consuming garlic or onion. Some studies suggest that these ingredients can interfere with the effectiveness of homeopathic medicines. To ensure proper absorption and action of the medication, it is recommended to have a clean mouth free of strong flavors or odors, including those from garlic. Remember, garlic offers its benefits in specific contexts and preparations. By being mindful of these mistakes and adjusting your garlic consumption accordingly, you can harness its potential to enhance your well-being. If you got any value from this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and best of luck on your fitness journey.